Hello. In this short walkthrough, I'll explain how I built an AI-powered customer service agent for an e-commerce platform using Astera's low-code drag-and-drop interface. The agent is designed to handle three key tasks: checking order status, canceling order, and providing information on refund and return policies, all through an intelligent conversational interface. To start, I built the intent recognition flow. When a customer types a message like, "Where's my order?" or "I need to cancel," or "What's your shipping policy?" the agent identifies the intent. Using the language model integration that I've put here, I've provided it 4 different types of scenarios, and the job of this LLM model is to classify the message based on user's query. So since based on my query, it identified which agent out of these 3 should my query be directed to, it sent it to the check order agent. Now, I need to provide an order number, so I can provide it in any sentence and it will identify the order ID from my message. So let's say it's 1004. Once the order ID is defined from my input, the agent makes an API call to our order system within this Python code object. This object allows you to write and execute Python code within your flow. I've designed and deployed APIs that interact with my order system using Astera. The API endpoint being called here fetches details like shipping status, item, and tracking number, and the agent displays them back to the customer on the screen. Similarly, we can connect to different types of data sources using Astera's existing ETL tech stack. So once it has fetched the order details for me, the check order agent is done with its job and we are back inside the main flow. We have also implemented looping in this agent's design so that the customer can continue conversation with the agent until they have got all they were looking for. We have done this by implementing another intent recognition model in this part that decides whether the user has more questions. If my input implies that I have more to ask, so let's say, "Yes, please, I have some more questions." Since my input implies that I have some more questions, the agent will continue the conversation from the start, directing me to the relevant sub-agent based on my query. So let's say this time I want to cancel my order. Cancel an order for me. Okay, so now it will ask, "Can you please provide your order number? Thank you." Okay, let's say I want to cancel order 1002. So since this time my query implied that it was order cancellation that I wanted to do, the flow redirected the query to the cancel orders agent. And now the order cancellation agent is in action. For cancellation, the process is similar. The agent sends an API request to our cancel endpoint inside this Python code object to update the order system with the cancellation request. If the API confirms the cancellation, the agent also sends an order cancellation email, and that's done inside this Python code object, where we have used an Outlook API to send an email. And then it sends the confirmation message on the chat as well. And as you saw in the pop-up, the email has also arrived, confirming that the order has been cancelled. So all of this was built without writing any complex code, just using visual drag and drop objects that you can see in the toolbox here. The no-code platform makes it really easy to map out the logic, test the flows, and update them quickly based on the feedback. So in the end, I was able to build a complex AI customer services agent that can handle real-world support queries automatically, saving time for both our customers and the team.